If you're the typical software developer, there's few things you love more than waking up in the morning, getting a cup of your favorite drink, sitting down at your computer to write code for the first task of the day, and waiting 20 minutes for the CI pipeline to finish. Maybe you're like this person who gets to watch dozens of, hopefully, green check marks, half of which have nothing to do with the code that's being changed. Oh. Don't get me wrong, I'm all in favor of having excuses to answer emails, focus on other tasks, ignore Slack, or have an impromptu sword fight. But we should be enabled to do those things on our own time, not when we're waiting to get something important wrapped up. Let's face it, CI/CD is a modern marvel of software engineering that has made it easier than ever before to write quality code that, for the most part, meets the somewhat unrealistic business expectations we have about how quickly software should improve. CD, I got nothing wrong to say in this video. CI, on the other hand, we need to have a talk. The tests, validations, build-in security services, and everything else we've built is wonderful, but we all need to recognize how complicated it can quickly become as we try to balance competing needs. That's why we built GitStream, a workflow automation tool for the code review process. Recently, we launched some new features to integrate GitStream with GitHub Actions, opening up new solutions for CI orchestration. Now you can do things like define specific resources to trigger CI pipelines, such as for your mobile app, front end, back end APIs, or however else you might want to divide your CI pipelines. You can also set up custom rules to run CI services based on / commands, PR labels, the source or destination branch, or practically any other data point, so the sky is the limit. If you want to check out Gitstream, head over to the Gitstream docs to learn how to set up your first automation in as little as 2 minutes. We also appreciate it if you gave us a star on GitHub because that helps us spread the word. You can find links to everything in the video description, and don't forget to give this video a like. My name is Ben, and I hope you found this useful. I'll see you next time.